Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard. And if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, selecting this gear. Now click on voice typing and click on this switcher next to it in order to activate it. When you finished, just go back. If microphone icon is visible, you can finally click on it. And if you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Finally, start typing. If you wish to stop, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!